This here is the Acer 15.6-inch portable monitor. This was a birthday gift from my wife for my past birthday, which is further proof that she does listen to my gibberish and eventually use that gibberish to get me thoughtful gifts, right? So maybe that's something that I should emulate. Maybe. We see. Anyway, but I initially wanted this to be a travel monitor, right? One, when I do travel for business, it is difficult to work from the one monitor. Whether I am in the office, didn't book a seat, or from the hotel room. And it also provides me with flexibility around the house. One day I can be working from the kitchen counter, right? I can be working from the sofa, right? The thing I love with this is that all it needs to power it is just one USB-C type cable going from your computer into this mouse, into the port. The one drawback that I had with this, I have with this monitor is the viewing position. The case, which doubles as the stand, provides very limited viewing positions. So if I'm at a tall desk, or if I have a overhead light that's too bright, I do get a lot of glare on the screen, which makes it difficult to see. And because of the limited movement that I have, it's pretty hard to get rid of that. So the one thing that I was missing up until now is a monitor stand. Okay, so this is a simple, easy, cheap monitor stand that I got off Amazon. One of the things I love about it is, well, based on the ad, is that it has a swivel mechanism. So let's tear into it, see what it's like. They do make these plastics a little harder to open than in the past. Okay. Let us hope it is as advertised. So as you can see, it says desktop stand, swivel bracket. That's it. Right, so that's out. We do have the manual, right? As you can see here, it is a swivel stand. And the good thing is that it has a VESA bracket. The portable monitor does come with two VESA screws in the back, right? So that's what I'm going to use to connect this stand to the monitor. Right. Now, one of the things that I did like is the screws are attached to the stand, so I am positive that I'm not going to lose them. Oh man, very strong, right? Really nice. This definitely will provide me with a lot more viewing angles compared to the case. Let's drop this there. Okay, so this should be able to get screwed directly to, right, let me do this here. Oh man, that is very hard. Okay, there we go, that's one. Let's see if I can line up the other one here. Right, so that was pretty simple, easy to install. You can see that the friction in the stand is very, very strong. I have to put effort into moving this thing. Okay, but there we go. Right, I'm able to swivel around, can move the top forward, back. So this does give me with a whole different level of call it now adjustments when needed. Right, so those are screw tight to the end, and there we go. The one thing that I've been missing to really take full advantage or make full use of this monitor. All right, so if you want to see a full review of this Acer Portable Monitor, please like, subscribe to the channel, because I will be posting that video within the next month. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.